How to hang a door. Upgrade your home with a new door. Changing your home's appearance is easy with a new door. Opt for a modern, textured panel door for a great DIY transformation. Before shopping, measure your door frame to ensure the right size and style. Tools needed: tape measure, pencil, screwdrivers, hammer, clamp, chisel, block hammer, rubber doorstops, electric planer, drill driver with a 2 mm drill bit, circular saw, straight edge. Door removal tips: use wedges or rubber doorstops to support the door during removal. If hinges are painted over, tap with a hammer to ease screw removal. Orientation matters. Ensure the panel door is installed with the lock base on the correct side. Mark the lock side on the front before installation. Trimming the door. Mark the door for cutting based on frame alignment. Add 3 more marks for clearance before cutting. Use a circular saw for larger sections and an electric planer for smaller ones. Marking and cutting hinges. Transfer frame marks to the door for hinge placement. Use a hinge to trace and mark the sections to be chiseled out. Chisel out the marked sections for hinge recesses. Painting and installation. Paint the door with water-based enamel for a quick drying process. Install hinges into the slots and hang the door in place. Use wedges to lift and align the door perfectly in the frame. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.